In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Sign-In to Odoo. To get started, the first thing you need to do is create a Google OAuth app. This is what allows Google Sign-In to communicate securely with your Odoo database. Make sure this part is completed before you begin working inside Odoo because you'll need the client ID from Google later in the setup process. Once your Google OAuth app is ready, log in to your Odoo database using an administrator account. This is important because the settings you're about to change are only available to users with admin access. If you're using a shared environment, double check that you're in the correct database before moving forward. After logging in, go to Settings and then open General Settings. This is where Odoo keeps most of its core configuration options, including authentication methods and integrations with external services like Google. From there, scroll down until you reach the Integrations section. In this area, look for the option called OAuth Authentication and check the box to enable it. After turning it on, click Save. Saving at this stage is important because it updates the system and makes the related authentication options available. Next, stay in the same integration section and find the option for Google Authentication. Check that box as well. This tells Odoo that you want to allow users to sign in using their Google accounts instead of relying only on standard username and password login. Once Google Authentication is enabled, paste your Google Client ID into the matching field in Odoo. Be careful to copy only the client ID exactly as it appears in your Google OAuth app settings. After pasting it in, click Save again to apply the configuration. If something doesn't work later, this is one of the first places you should double check, since even a small copy and paste error can prevent the connection from working properly. Finally, link your account. This step connects your Odoo user account with your Google sign-in, so the login flow works as expected. Follow the account linking prompt inside Odoo and complete the connection using the Google account you want associated with that user. At this point, Google Sign-In should be connected to Odoo. A good final tip is to test the login flow in a separate browser window or private browsing session so you can confirm everything is working correctly without affecting your current admin session. Once the test is successful, your Google authentication setup is complete.